They say time is money. They say be patient. They say wait your turn. Even say pay your dues. But time's way more valuable than money. And if you believe these 5 lies about time, you're going to spend the rest of your life stuck in a system that's working perfectly to keep you in it and to keep you broke. Lie number 1. You guys have all heard this. A bird in the hand is worth 2 in the bush. And sometimes while that can be true, it also can be something that keeps you from going for the bigger deal, from the next thing that's going to catapult you to greatness, that's going to get you out of the rat race and get you into the real estate investing game. So we often hear about real estate investors who start out as wholesalers and their whole mantra is the quick nickel. Hey guys, I'm guilty of this. I did hundreds of deals where I thought quick nickel was good, and quick nickel was good. But what I was doing was I was trading one job, working for money by using my time, for another job where I was working for money using my time. And I really wasn't building anything. My business was only going to go well and pay me well as long as I showed up every day and did the next deal and the next deal and the next deal. A bird in hand is worth 2 in the bush. That's the lie. But here's the trap. That lie teaches you not to reach for greatness. And the truth is, settling for safe costs you decades of growth. And the path of entrepreneurship gives you massive upside compared to wages. Hey guys, I'm Robbie Krager, the Flip Flop Flipper. Maybe you know me from my YouTube channel. I am the Flip Flop Flipper, and I'm a value-add real estate investor. On October 3rd and 4th, I'm hosting a real estate summit. It's a virtual online summit with the who's who of entrepreneurs and real estate investors. They're going to be sharing with you all of the different strategies that they're using in this world to create wealth. These are people that I'm doing deals with. People like Jerry Norton, Richard Taylor, Pedro Cardona. It's a who's who's list, guys. Don't miss it. It's a free event. It's easy to get there, and the price is right. October 3rd and 4th. Sign up now. Lie number 2, you have to pay your dues. The trap is this causes delayed action, and it keeps you stuck in a low-level grind, working for the man, maybe for minimum wage for way too long. And here's the truth. The clock is always ticking. It's ticking for all of us. Time stops for no one. Time waits for no man. And the best thing you can do is to start right now. I guess the best thing you could have done was to start yesterday, but you missed it. So start now. And we believe there's a better way, obviously, guys. We're entrepreneurs. We're real estate investors, and we think that real estate investing is the great equalizer, and it lets you skip the line. You can start today, you can start dirty, you can do massive action. Guys, you're watching our YouTube channel because we put out 2 or 3 videos a week. We tell you what we do and how we do it. We invite you to even partner with us, and we've got communities that we've built where you can network with other people who are like you and like-minded. So the easiest action that you could ever take is to join one of our communities, whether it's the free community, just comment yes, or if you want to go with the premium community and really kickstart your real estate investing career. I think it costs $127 right now before the price goes up. It's called Apex. Links in the description for that. Lie number 3, that's just the way it is. And here's the trap with believing that that's just the way it is. You're accepting that you're going to stay stuck in this broken system. And the truth is, this system's not broken at all. It's working perfectly, and it's designed to keep you stuck. It's put in motion so that you'll stay poor. It keeps you trapped so that you don't think that there's a better way. And the path that we believe that you should be on is ownership. We believe in ownership. We believe in equity. We believe that if you can scale, you can grow. And if you can start now, these things stack up, just like most of our videos, right? All of these things that you're telling yourself are keeping you stuck in a place that you don't want to be in. Lie number 4, you have to keep up with the Joneses. Here's the trap with that. You're wasting time and money on status. You're buying stuff that you don't need. You're doing it to look good. It's a vanity play. It's maybe the worst of the 4 lies that you tell yourself, because keeping up with the Joneses will keep you poor for sure. It's a game that you're playing that you can't ever win, because the Joneses are always going to have more, or they're going to do better. There's going to be something about them that's going to look better to the outside. The truth is, guys, you've got to run your own race. You've got to play your own game, and we believe there's a better way. Here's the path. Buy assets that throw off cash flow. Get yourself multiple streams of income. Become an entrepreneur and take control of your life. Work hard enough that you eventually get yourself financial freedom. And then when you pull up next to Mr. Jones in your fat new Lamborghini, yours can be paid for with cash while his is just rented. Lie number 5, don't rock the boat. The trap. That keeps you compliant, and it diminishes the ability to be creative. Because you're told that if you stay inside the box and if you stay inside the system, it's all going to go well for you. Guys, look around and see who does it really go well for. When you're believing these lies about yourself and you're not rocking the boat and you're not taking risks, are you really growing? And if you are growing, let's say you're climbing that corporate ladder, which is another one, we will throw that in as a bonus, that you should climb the corporate ladder. Guys, that's someone else's freaking ladder. It's not yours. It doesn't belong to you. So that's the trap. Don't get stuck in any of these traps. Here's the path. Every breakthrough requires rocking the boat, and anything that's ever been great required someone deciding that they were going to go for greatness, completely rocking the boat, probably failing multiple times and continuing to get up and get back on it. It's like the scene from the movie Troy where the kid wakes up Achilles and says, "Man, I wouldn't fight that big guy." And Achilles says to the young man, "Well, that's why nobody's going to remember your name."
He's the biggest man I've ever seen. I wouldn't want to fight him.
That's why no one will remember your name.
The path that we believe you should be on. Real estate entrepreneurs change neighborhoods, markets, and lives. Guys, these are just 5 examples of things that we have all heard, that we've all believed at one point or another. You guys tell yourself this stuff. I hear it all the time in the comments. I bet you every single one of these has been in my comments dozens of times, telling me why they can't become an entrepreneur, why they're never going to be able to buy a house, why they're not going to be successful. Boo-hoo, you're a victim. And if you want to be a victim, there's a dozen more of these. Hell, we'll do another video about the next 5. But look, you don't need to believe these lies. You don't need to stay in this trap. There is a better way. You found our channel. We're talking about real estate investing. We're talking about building equity, and we're talking about building wealth and financial freedom. If you like that kind of stuff, subscribe to the channel. So look, time is your only non-renewable resource. So don't waste another 5 years. Hell, don't waste another 5 minutes in a system that is really designed to keep you there. And the best time to start, I think I said this earlier, was yesterday. But now the best time is right now, today. So look, comment yes if you're ready to take your time back and build freedom through real estate investing. And we'll send you the link, and you can join our community for free.